this is the real her, the strange her. Oh, the boy. I'm going for that.
Yes. Just
Tell me that you still got the flame for me, and tell me that you still wanna stay. Don't leave, even though I never give you nothing but hurt, even though the better part of me don't work. Baby, tell me that you still got the flame for me, and we can let it burn.
Oh god, it's really hard to film and walk. Huh? Yeah, because you can't look at where you're going because you're trying to film. I'm going to video you now. There's that, I'm videoing you now. Oh, let the wind, yes, let the wind.
the wind's blowing my hair.
Yeah, the wind capture. Right, so. Oh, I'm going to shave my legs. I don't know. Look at that, look. It's like bloody... Don't we need to do the thingy thing? Don't we need to do the Ujimi flip? Okay, go on.
Am I looking behind?
Yeah, look behind, see. Oh, hang on, then I need to pull it, don't I? I go, hang on.
Magically.
Yeah. There you go. Right. Right. Yeah, go on. Oh. That, yeah, look up. That's it, the highlight popping. How you're standing, there's no other way.
Oh.
Ah.
Lovely bite on your leg.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, you're videoing.
Yes, it's doing it.
Hey.
Thingy the
Okay.
yeah. Do something with your sunglasses.
Who's that sexy thing I see over there?
You look absolutely fine, darling.
I love she.
I'm an absolute idiot.
Oh dear. Beautiful.
Oh, there's a bee. Get away from
Oh
me.
god, there's a bee. Oh no, Sinead. I'm not alone.
I act like a pig.
I'm not alone. I act like a pig.
Act like a pig and it'll go away. Okay, here we go. Back to this. And my back.
Oh, what did I just crush?
Crunch.
Oh no, it's oh.
Crunch and stuff. Oh, you crunched a snail.
I know, I didn't mean to.
In the snail.
That is hot today. Hot.
Yeah, hot.
Yes, this is the real her, the strange her.
Yes. Just oh.
Oh.
Just went away from me.
Coming in. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Uh-uh.
That looks so cheesy.
Oh, have you got knickers on? Oh, you haven't, you
I
idiot.
got my granny pants.
Oh God, no.
You can't see it though, can you?
A little bit, yeah. I'm starting now. Not on her.
No, not on me.
Going to the sun.
Oh,
Oh. Yeah.
oh no, that failed.
Oh, hang on, I've got to stop shaking the thing.
We go for it.
Go on.
Oh, why does mine fail?
Oh! Round the old tree again. What did you do?
No. Yeah.
Just get your hands around the back of you like. Go on.
Oh my god. Bye. Let's do the show.
Yeah.
Just hit.
Oh, you set the dog off.
Yeah.
No. Do I look that ugly? She just saw me over there. Okay.
Oh no. Look at her trying to get in the shot. It's like, I'm here. No.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Sort your bra strap out. The other one.
This one?
Yes.
Are you sure I'm her personal
Yeah.
assistant?
So we don't.
I'll survive.